Hello, I'm Lanita Medina from Camden, Maine, and oh my goodness, my son just had his 35th birthday, and I started Creative Memories when he was 1 month old, so I am almost a 35-year Creative Memories advisor. I think that is very, very cool. And I also get, that's exciting, and I also get very excited about Simple Easy Pages. And of course, I'm on this kick of 5-minute pages and card to page. Now on the 5-minute page thing, guess what just blanked out on me, and even changing the battery didn't work. So this is probably 20 years old, my trusty little timer. So guess what? I am going to kind of time myself, but you don't have to feel the frenzy of, oh no, is she going to make it or not? Now, I am headed to the airport, so I do need to finish really quickly because I got to get there to catch the plane, right? Okay, let's get started. So card to page, these are the new Croptoberfest cards, which I love, and any of these would work great on a page. This is the one I chose. So these ingredients, sort of, but I'm using the Autumn Cottage and the pieces to the card sets. Now, if you've not played with these before, they are numbered and lettered. So that's right on the top. That makes it easy. Whatever is on here, I can use from here, but I want to make them bigger so I can have larger pages. Make the corners bigger. So instead of thinking of you, I am going to grab this one. Not that I'm not thinking of you. Oh, is that the one? Yeah, I think so. And I'm going to put my scissors here so I remember to notch it. And I think that is all I need from here because I am going to use the rest of the ingredients from the Autumn Cottage. And I'm going to use the vellum, which is very fun, and this piece and the wood paper. This is what's on that side. Okay, better get started here, huh? All right, the reason this is so quick and fun is because I can use my diagonal on the new trimmer. This is not as new anymore, but I can measure. I'm just going to do the 45-degree angle at a 3-inch mark, at the 3-inch mark, and cut. So I have my first corner, and then I'll take the other side here, and I'll grab that corner. And that part is done. And then this is the greenish vellum. I think it is green. I'm going to do 1/2 inch here, my measurement. So it's quite easy. 3 inches on the diagonal corner. A corner made out at the 3-inch on the 45 angle. Oh my goodness. Okay, you can read it there. Now 1/2 strip of vellum. Oh my goodness. I'm not even in that much of a hurry, and my words are being a little silly. Okay. 1 strip of vellum at 1/2 inch. So that would be for this part here. I'm going to cheat and not do it on the diagonal because this is much easier. So another 1/2 inch strip for the other side. And oh, I might as well cut these pieces too. Now, this vellum is really pretty, and I was considering using this side of the paper rather than this one, but see, well, that looks okay too, but I really liked how it just shows through, the little pumpkins show through in a nice way. And this is at 4 and 4. Now this vellum is lighter on one side. Can you see the difference? It's lighter on this side than this side. So that's another thing you can decide when you are, I'm just going to stack them and do my 6-inch. When you're deciding what side to use, you could use the lighter side, but I used the darker side on this one. Okay, so the pieces are cut. Let me assemble. Are you ready? The only thing I didn't pull out was the stickers for that. That's a little crooked, isn't it? All right, the other thing I want to point out, well, I'll just wait on that. Okay, assemble. Oh my goodness. You would think I'm a newbie, that I haven't done this for 35 years, huh? Maybe I'm sad that my little timer isn't working, which I am. I just kind of got a little distressed about it because I'm so nostalgic that I'm like, oh man, where am I going to find one of those? This was from an antique store. It is kind of newish, but it says Fred-o-Matic. It's just so fun. And I like the little popcorn thing that it does. Okay, so this is easy. And I'm going to grab the vellum. And I'll just go ahead and show you. I don't want to put it all the way up because this is going to hang off the edge just a little bit. And then I'll cut it. So there's the easy way on that. And I'll do the same over here. In fact, I can just put the vellum on here, right? Then better make sure I'm in the camera, huh? So, the vellum, I love it that it doesn't show through. I could take my trimmer and do this, but, you know, we're doing a 5-minute page, so I'm going to do it with scissors. And then there, and that little corner. And all I need to do is add the... Okay, so sometimes this shows, but I noticed that it doesn't on this vellum, which I love. Okay, so I might as well do them both, right? So these are my mats for photos. And I will just go ahead and bring that there. And then a few little foam squares here. This is nice because I have big ones. And then I'll just put a tinier one there. And I'm looking at my watch. I actually didn't quite look to see when I started, but I'm pretty sure I'm at 5 minutes. Y'all can time. Oh, I'll have to see when I'm done with the recording, huh? Okay, and then this one, I'm just going to notch it just so that it looks a little bit more like a ribbon. And this one, on this, I didn't add foam squares, but I think I want to on this one because I do like them popped a bit. All right, so let's see. Let's get all this mess off and be ready for the finished piece. Now, this could be a 2-page spread design. So let's see how you can make it into a 2-page. So you could do that if I hadn't done this. This could go the other direction. Okay, that's a really nice 2-page spread. Is that showing through, or do you need? I think it does show through, huh? And just change up your embellishment. So here's why I stopped doing 5-minute, right? Because suddenly I want to find another piece or find a sticker or something. But I do like to use this take this moment to show you some things. So let me see if I can find it quickly because I hadn't quite planned to do this part. Maybe I won't find my embellishments. I've been using them for all sorts of things. Okay, well, I'll just keep it at something that is stickery. All right, so let me do this. Let me do this, if it'll come off. And a couple of pumpkins. Okay. I'm looking at my watch to see how I'm doing on time. So, oh, you know what? I don't want to take these off because I may want to keep it as is. But, so, I mean, this would even work this way. Why not, right? Keep the banner look. And then the little pumpkin here, the little gourd. And another one. And then I'm just going to tuck it under there. And so then there's a 2-page spread using the same design. And the thing is, then you don't have to open another card kit, but that's your base. Okay, isn't that fun? Okay, that was totally off the cuff. You know, I really had planned to do like a 3-minute because I knew this was really quick. I had timed myself, but there you go. Hey, thank you for watching, and thank you for scrapbooking with me. Many of you have scrapbooked with me for years and years. But if you need an advisor, guess what? I'm here. So I will post my link so you can order all these fun products. I have a site with retired products also, and it's called scrapbookingwithlanita.com. My events are also posted there. All right, have a great fall day. Bye-bye.